Hi guys, welcome back to Pato Dreams. Before we go into the video, I want to talk to you about this unprecedented situation that we are facing today caused by this novel coronavirus. And we know that we are all self-quarantined, and I thought this is the best time to make use of your crafty mind. And I am here sharing today about a small DIY home decor, a very small bicycle uh, made with jute rope and bamboo squares. I hope you will find this video useful. So let's jump into our video, and I hope you all stay safe, stay happy. We shall overcome. Thank you. And let's grab the materials first. You need a cardboard, a glue gun, jute rope, and bamboo skewers. Actually, this is a tricycle and we need 3 wheels. For that, I'm going to cut 2 different sizes of circles out of 2 different sizes of tape rolls, which is about 8 centimeter and a 7 centimeter in diameter. Here I'm going to cut 4 circles of about 7 centimeter in diameter and 2 circles about 8 centimeter in diameter. And we are going to join the 2 same size circles into one. And here I got 4 circles about 7 centimeter in diameter. Now I'm going to join the 2 circles together into one. So thus it will make 1 plus 1, 2 wheels. And this is for the 8 centimeter diameter circle. We have to cut out 2 circles and join these two into one. Now we have to wrap all the 3 circles with jute cord or rope, and thus it will form our bicycle wheels. Now we need to cut out the spokes of our bicycle wheels out of bamboo squares and wrap this again with jute rope and stick them to the wheel with the glue gun as shown in this video. Here I am going to attach 1 center rod and 4 side spokes. Now this is my basket. This is going to sit on the back of my bicycle. You can take a paper cup as well. Now we need to join the back wheels by using two sticks, but you need to find the length of that sticks based on the size of your basket, because this is going to fit on that sticks. So my basket is about 7 centimeter in length, so I'm going to cut two sticks of length about 9 centimeter. So this will form the back of our bicycle. Now you need to cut two larger sticks, that means larger than the stick that we used to connect the back wheels. So in my case this is going to be 13 centimeter because the sticks which I was using to connect my back wheels were 9 centimeter. So this sticks is going to be 13 centimeter in length. So now you got two 13 centimeter sticks and two 9 centimeter sticks. Wrap all these with the jute rope, and also you need to wrap your basket with jute rope. In my case, I have taken a small cardboard box. I'm going to wrap this with jute rope. And here we got all the wheels and the sticks which is going to connect our wheels are also ready. Now let's join our wheels. Now you take your two small wheels, that means the 7 centimeter diameter wheels, and connect that two with the small sticks, that means that 9 centimeter length sticks, like this. So using a glue gun, join the back wheels using these sticks. Now you can join the back wheels to the front wheel using that large sticks that about 13 centimeter in length, like this. and this is what we got. Now cut out two sticks of about 7 centimeter length as the fork, that means to connect the handle. Now you can cut out a small piece of about 7 centimeter and place it as the handle. Now you can stick the basket between the back wheels using the glue gun. Now, as the last thing, you need to connect the front to the back with the center rod, just like this. And voila, our bicycle is ready. Now you can fill your basket with flowers or whatever you like. Also, you can decorate your bicycle with beads or stones. And that's it. I know this is a very small addition to your home decor, and I hope you really like this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe.